Happy Friday, everybody. The moon is out. We got a bunch of rain last night. My little favorite spot to sit over there under my little apple tree and plum tree. But look, I hope it shows this on my phone. All the little water droplets. Will it zoom in there? How pretty is that? I think they're so pretty. Look how pretty. There's one right there. Zoom in for me, darn it. But they're just shining through the sun. Sun's trying to peek out over there. Yeah, and there's the moon. My apple tree. Sun poking out. The water droplets on this little weed. It's a milkweed. How pretty. I know it's the little things for me. I hope everybody has a good day. Happy Friday. My spinach is doing so good. My kale is doing so good. All the little water droplets